Hi Greeners, today I want to talk about lithium batteries. So lithium is also a very hot topic and a topic that needs to be understood. There are various chemistries of lithium as well that are available in the market. तो एक जब lithium battery आई थी ना तो सबका ये था every OEM wanted to give you higher range, right? सो रेंज ज़्यादा देने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? अब आप एक टू व्हीलर देखो, एक छोटा सा टू व्हीलर है, इसमें एक छोटा सा कंपार्टमेंट है जिसके अंदर बैटरी जानी है, तो स्पेस जो है ना वो उतना ही है. सो व्हाट एवरी OEM वांटेड टू डू इज छोटे फॉर्म फैक्टर की बैटरी में ज़्यादा पावर आए वो वाली केमिस्ट्री उठानी है. एंड द ऑब्वियस केमिस्ट्री दे वेंट विद वाज अ निकल cobalt chemistry, which is called as an NMC chemistry. So it's a lithium NMC chemistry. Now, no doubt that this particular battery gives you higher density of energy in a given volume, but this is not a very stable chemistry. It suffers from again thermal runaways, it suffers from hazards of fire, it also suffers from a lot of different problems that you have seen in the market. I'm not naming the OEMs that use this battery. Obviously, the plus point of a NMC battery is that you get higher range. But the most stable chemistry that a lot of OEMs now are moving towards in lithium is called as a LFP battery or a lithium LFP battery, which full form is lithium iron phosphate. F stands for ferro, which means iron. So it is either lithium ferrophosphate or lithium iron phosphate. Now lithium iron phosphate is a lithium battery chemistry that a lot of OEMs are moving to. For example, Ather is moving to this, Tesla is moving to this, and a lot of the OEMs who are seeking stable chemistry, right, they are moving to this chemistry. Lithium ferrophosphate or lithium iron phosphate definitely has a lesser energy density than NMC, but then safety first, right? आज आप 200 किलोमीटर चल जाओ पर अगर आपकी बैटरी सेफ नहीं है तो you would prefer a battery that gives you 160 kilometers instead of 200 kilometers. Now, this is about battery, right? And LFP is the safest. It does not require a lot of maintenance. इसमें thermal runaway नहीं होता. एक LFP का बहुत बड़ा advantage ये है कि combustion के लिए oxygen चाहिए होता है. LFP बैटरी कभी ऑक्सीजन रिलीज ही नहीं करती. तो अगर इसको अगर आप एक फ्लोर से नीचे भी फेंक दोगे तो मैक्सिमम दैट विल हैपन इज धुआं निकल जाएगा पर आग नहीं लगेगी. Obviously, it might not pass the drill test where you drill into the battery. In that kind of test, even an LFP might catch fire. The other plus points of LFP is that it requires very less maintenance. It has larger cycles, so the life is longer. आप ज़्यादा time battery use कर सकते हो without the degradation of the battery happening. It can be used at a varied temperature range. And obviously, when you couple an LFP battery with a smart BMS, now I'm using the term smart. अब smart BMS क्या हो गया? Smart BMS is the full form is Smart Battery Management System. अब आप ये समझिए बैटरी बनती कैसे. बैटरी हो गया एक ढांचा जिसके अंदर सेल्स डाले जाते हैं. सो सेल इज रिमेंबर वो रिमोट के जो सेल होते हैं उसको हम सेल बोलते हैं. यही EV ग्रेड के भी सेल्स आते हैं. सो अ बैटरी एक्चुअली इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ सेल्स. नाउ इमेजिन दिस सेल्स आर आइदर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल एंड और सीरीज. ठीक है ना. अब LFP बैटरी भी उन सेल से ही बनती है. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन यू आर चार्जिंग और डिस्चार्जिंग दिस बैटरी पैक, द सेल्स आर गेटिंग चार्ज और डिस्चार्ज. सो उस समय सेल्स गर्म होते हैं. सो दैट्स वन प्रॉब्लम. देन दिस सेल्स ऑल्सो अंडरगो डिसबैलेंस. अब जैसे जब आप सेल से एनर्जी निकाल रहे हो या सेल पे जब एनर्जी डाल रहे हो तो हो सकता है एक सेल की वोल्टेज दूसरे सेल से डिफरेंट होगी तो ये आपस में एक दूसरे को चार्ज डिस्चार्ज करना शुरू कर देते हैं. टिपिकल लाइक 101 ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. So a smart BMS actually takes care of managing all the cells. That's why it's called a battery management system. It makes sure that all the cells are balanced. It makes sure to read at real time what is the temperature of a particular cell, what is the charge density of the particular cell, what is the entire SOC or state of charge of the entire battery. तो ये स्मार्ट BMS क्या करता है, अगर कुछ भी एनोमली होगी ना तो या एक तो उसको पता चल जाएगा, दूसरा अगर इफ दैट एनोमली इज हैजर्डस then it will shut down the battery. So coming back to where we were, so while choosing a battery, right, just don't look at your capex, look at your opex as well. Because an LFP battery with a smart BMS gives you safety and longer lives, you should spend a bit on the LFP battery because an LFP battery easily would last you 5 years with minimal degradation. So I hope you got some knowledge about batteries and which battery you should choose while buying or procuring an EV. This is all about lithium batteries and a gist. I know lithium is a big topic and I just can't cover it in a short video like this. So if you have any other points that you want to add to lithium batteries, or you know as a fact about lithium batteries, please drop in comments or make a video and send us a link, or send us the video and we'll post it in our community. I am Saurabh Agarwala, CEO of Intuitive Mobility. We electrify.